I am inevitable.
If you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, where the hell did my money go? Guys, you're not alone. You're not broken. You've just been lied to. See, this system that we're in, it was never built to make you wealthy. It was built to keep you obedient, comfortable enough not to rebel, but just broke enough to always need the next check. But what if I told you there's a way to flip it? Not in 5 years, not after you cut lattes or sell your car, but in just 60 days. What's up, everybody? I'm Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. And today I'm walking you through the 60-day financial reset blueprint, the exact system I used to retire at 40 after growing up broke, surviving the military, and mastering the game that they never taught us. Let's just put this on the table right now. Guys, struggling financially is not your fault. You see, nobody ever taught us how money really works. They taught us how to get a job, how to follow rules, how to take out loans for school, cars, and credit cards, but they never taught us how to actually win with money. Why? Because the more dependent you are on your paycheck, the more predictable that you are. You're gonna show up, you're gonna work, you're gonna spend that money, and you're gonna stay quiet. That's the play. And the entire system is designed to make that feel normal. Taxes hit your check before you see a dime, then bills, then debt, and then shame. And by the time you think about investing or building something for yourself, you're exhausted, you're discouraged, and you're broke. That's what the 60-day financial reset blueprint was built to change. So let me take you back for a little bit when I was 38 years old. I wasn't broke per se, but I wasn't free either. I had money, but I was trapped in that system we just talked about. Essentially just moving numbers around every single month, just trying to keep up. Now, fortunately for me, I actually got exposed to real financial literacy, the kind that doesn't come from banks or classrooms. And I started testing something. See, I took my military mindset and built a battle-tested system that attacks every part of the financial game step by step. That system became the 60-day financial reset. It starts with a financial x-ray. See, what we do is we look at where your money's leaking and we plug that leak fast. I show you how to do a real audit and budget that doesn't feel like it's punishment. Then what we do is we correct your W-4. Yeah, that one IRS form you filled out in HR, it's probably costing you thousands. Now I'm gonna show you how to tweak it legally so you stop overpaying taxes and you get your own money back into your hands, instantly increasing your cash flow. Now after that, we're gonna rewire how your money flows. See, what I do is I teach you how to assign every dollar a purpose. You'll learn my budget allocation system, the same one that I use to become debt-free and build long-term wealth. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to war on your debt. And we're not gonna do it by struggling, not by starving, but by using smart strategy to flip your balances faster than you thought possible. And from there, we're gonna rebuild your credit for you, not by disputing every single item on there, but by re-engineering your profile so it actually works for you instead of against you. And finally, we set you up to invest. I'm talking real investments, stocks, real estate, passive income, not just another hustle. And the best part about this, guys, is you're gonna do it in just 60 days because we're not wasting time anymore. Time is your most expensive debt. Now, I'll be real with you guys. This blueprint is not for everybody. If you cool with just getting by, if you addicted to excuses, or you waiting on somebody to come save you, guys, this isn't for you. But if you're coachable, if you're tired of giving away your whole check before the month ends, if you're ready to take full responsibility for your financial future, then you're who I built this system for. Because I didn't just build it for me. I built it for the 16-year-old version of me who thought he'd always be broke. For the parents who just want to give their kids a better life. For the vets, for the single moms and fathers, for the hustlers, and for the helpers who always put themselves last. This blueprint resets more than your money. It resets your confidence, your direction, your identity. You want proof that the things actually works? Listen, one of my clients came in making $3,800 a month and had over $94,000 in debt, a credit score in the 500s. Now, in the 60 days, we were able to free up $1,200 a month. We paid off 3 of his past due accounts, and we got his credit score into the 700s. Now, another set of clients, a married couple, they came in overwhelmed by credit cards and car notes. So we ran the system, and in 8 weeks, they cleared $14K in debt and set up their first investment account. Guys, this system works, and it's not a theory, it's an actual system. And systems don't care about feelings, they just work if you follow them. So if you're ready to stop playing defense and start building something that actually lasts, here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, you're gonna download the free 60-day financial reset starter kit. That's your blueprint. It'll give you the overview, the mindset shift, and the starting point. Now, step 2 is I want you to book a strategy call. Now, in this call, we'll walk you through where you are, where you wanna go, and I'll help you figure out if the reset is right for you. Now, step 3 is I want you to join the Green Order Inner Circle. That's our community here, where people just like you are building legacies instead of just survival. Reset. One choice from breaking the cycle, and I'm here to walk you through it every step of the way. Guys, I'm Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, snapping debt, building legacy, and turning your financial chaos into control. Hit that like button if this video helps you see the game clearer. Subscribe if you're ready to take action, and drop a comment below. Tell me what part of the reset you need most. Guys, I'll see you on the next one, and remember, you don't need more money. You need a better strategy. God bless you all. Gone.
I am inevitable.